Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm not focusing so much on makeup today. I want to do something that I have not done on this channel before. I am going to be unboxing some Funko Pop figurines. I obviously collect some Funkos. I have several of them already. I have a whole bunch more in my closet that are not displayed. Before we get into the Funkos though, can I just address this makeup? Because I was feeling inspired to do, I'm not wearing anything new, anything that I haven't tried before, but I was just feeling inspired to do something different. I want to try some different things. And like in my last video, I did the blush like really heavy here, or not even really heavy. I just kind of kept it centered here, like on this part of my cheeks, the nose. And so today I had the idea that I wanted to do kind of like a grungy goth, kind of like almost baby doll or like rag doll sort of a look. So on my eyes, I used the Glam Light and Icy palette, the red one. Again, this is not like I've used this one before. And I knew that I liked it, so I knew that I wanted to use it today. I did the black lip. I did like this kind of messy, grungy, messy winged liner, and the blush kind of centered a lot on my nose, a lot on this part of my cheeks. And then I decided I was going to go in and do freckles. Now, this is my first time doing freckles, and I think it looks okay, like on camera especially. I feel like it looks okay. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think that it looks okay? I literally took like a dark purple eyeliner, like a cream gel liner from Colourpop. I don't remember what the name of it is. If I remember, I'll put it in the description. But I like was creating all these freckles with that, like tapping them on. And then I was kind of like tapping them out so they didn't look super intense and started to look more like actual freckles. But I even like put one up here. And I don't know, I think it looks okay. I think it looks like a cute sort of, I don't know. You tell me what you think of this. Anyway, that's not the point of today's video. If you're here just for the Funkos, strap in because we're gonna pop them open now. I'm gonna be cutting these open on camera. These boxes, I mean. Not the Funkos. I'm not gonna cut into my Funkos. So let me just give you the background. There was some trash. Let me just give you the background on why I randomly bought all of these Funkos. The other day, we were either watching Mandalorian or The Bad Batch, or maybe I was watching Rebels. I can't get this open because I've been rewatching Star Wars Rebels. And so I decided to look on Amazon and see if they still had Chopper from Rebels, you know, the little droid from Rebels. And they don't. I mean, unless you want to spend like $1 billion. He's like not around anymore, which I get that the Rebels ones were kind of limited edition. It was hard for me to get the Rebels Ahsoka, but I did get it eventually. But while I was looking, I noticed that a lot of the Star Wars Funkos, because a bunch of them were popping up, were on sale. They were like half off, or some of them were even more than half off. So I just started looking through all of them, and I was like, I said to my husband, I was like, should we get some of these? Like, these are half off. And he was like, yeah, let's do it. I don't know. We're both morons, I guess. But so a bunch of the ones that I got are baby Grogu. Not because I'm like obsessed with baby Grogu, but there were some really cute ones. And if they're half off, like why the hell not? So this one here, I'm opening these in no particular order because I don't know what's in each box. I am going to take them out of the box, the actual like box they come in. This one is baby Grogu with cookies. Oh, cool. The background is like the Mandalorian symbol. But look at him. We had other Grogus in our... That was so loud. We had other Grogus in our cart as well. But we decided not to get all of them. We got like 3 or 4 though. This is baby Grogu with the little cookies. Look at him. Look, his little bobbly head. How freaking precious is that? I love him. He's so cute. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, was the first one. And starting off on a strong note, let's see. This one seems like it has several in the same box. It's kind of a bigger box and it feels a bit heavier. So let's just see what's in here. I know which ones I bought, but I don't know which ones are in which box. Okay, what is this one? Look at how this is all wrapped up in here. Oh, okay. So this one was still kind of expensive. It was, I think, still like half off, but it's one of the ones that like lights up. I have the Darth Vader from this series, the ones that like light up, but I don't know. I just thought this one was really, really cool because it's Kylo Ren. And not that I'm the biggest fan of the sequel trilogy. I know it's like controversial to discuss the sequel trilogy, but of all of the things that they gave us with the sequel trilogy, Kylo Ren was by far my favorite part. So, and I really like his like put back together mask from what's it called, Rise of Skywalker. Like, look how cool that is. Look at the detail. It looks like a busted up helmet. Let's see what sound he makes. That was it. So he makes a lot of like lightsaber noises. My Darth Vader also makes a lot of lightsaber noises, but he also does the breathing. I think that's it for the noises for him. This little bobbly head. I don't know. I think this one's really cool. I don't know. Do you think it's cool? This one, I can see what it is. It's not in one of those boxes. I can't get any of them out though. Okay, I had to cut the box open from the other side to get it to... Oh, this one came in a little case, in a little plastic case. So this one my husband really wanted, but this is from the Bad Batch. Oh gosh, this is Tech from the Bad Batch. And my husband, I don't know, he wanted this for his office at work. So this is Tech. My husband loves Tech because he's a little autistic. You can guess if I'm talking about my husband or Tech. I think maybe both of them. There's Tech. Look at his little guns. So cute. Okay, let's see what this one is. I literally have no idea which ones I'm opening. Oh, this one was definitely... This one I don't even think was all that cheap either. I think this one and the Kylo Ren were a little bit more expensive. This one wasn't as expensive as the Kylo Ren though. This is the Ahsoka from The Mandalorian, or I guess you could just say like the live action Ahsoka. So this is now my second Ahsoka. I said earlier that I got the Rebels Ahsoka. One of her blades is a little bit bent. I hate that. Whenever you buy these Funkos and they have like swords and things, there's a good chance they might end up a little bit bent or curved. But there's Ahsoka, grown up live action Ahsoka with her white blades. I don't know. I just thought that this was a really neat one. There's also a live action whatever version of her where she has like a hood. I also kind of want to get that one, but that one was not on sale for some reason. I think this one was, though. But yeah, that's my second Ahsoka that I have purchased. Let's see what's in this box. So this is another Grogu. Oh, this one they called the Child. Did the other one say the Child, or did it say Grogu? The other one with the cookie said Grogu. This one just says the Child. I guess Din didn't know his name at the time that this happened, right? So this is little baby Grogu, aka the child, aka Baby Yoda, with one of these little frog creatures in his mouth. How frickin' funny is that? Look at him eating the little froggy. I just thought that these ones were so cute and so funny, like him eating the frog, him eating the cookies. Oh, I hope the other one that I ordered is here. I'll be so sad if it's not here, because the other one that I got, I think, might actually be my favorite out of all of them. Like the other Grogu that I got might be my favorite Grogu of all the ones that we ordered. By the way, I wanted my husband to be in this video with me, but he's so weird about being on camera. Maybe one day I'll get him to do it, but today is not that day. Okay, so 2 more boxes to open. Oh, this is weird. So this is Boca Tan Crease. Crease. But this is not the way that she looked when I ordered her online. This one was like $3 though. This one was not expensive at all. I don't know why this one was so cheap, but I guess I'm gonna have to rip it open. Yeah, this isn't what she looked like. She limited chase edition. When I ordered her though, she had her helmet on, and I feel like she was in a different position. Maybe I got one that was more expensive? Possibly, potentially, for only $3? It says Chase Edition. Maybe it's like when you buy it, there's like a chance that you might get her without the helmet. I don't know. Honestly, I'm a little bummed she doesn't have the helmet, because I liked the helmet. That was kind of like what made me want this one. But it's still cool. I don't know. I need to look into this now and like see if this one is maybe more expensive. But like there she is, Boca Tan Crease. She still looks cool, but cooler with the helmet. Okay, so I have one more box. I feel like... How do you open this? What the hell? It says pull to open. Pull where? What am I pulling on? This? I'm so confused. Okay. This is the last one. Oh, okay. So, I did not get my Grogu yet. My other Grogu that I thought was the cutest. But this one I guess is like an Amazon exclusive version of the Mandalorian, Din Djarin. It's actually like, I guess his armor is like shiny, like it's like a shiny chrome, and he was half off. So I was like, sure, I'll get the special exclusive edition for half off. Oh, that is neato though. I like, can you see how shiny and awesome his, like reflective, his, what am I doing with my hand? How shiny and reflective his armor actually is. I think that's really cool. This is my little Din. I always want to say Jin. It's not. It's Din. Din Jarrett. Look at me. Now I don't even... What is his name? I literally said it before. Is it Din Jarrett? Why did that sound wrong? Whatever. Here he is. If my other Grogu comes tomorrow, I'll tack that onto this video. So I probably won't be wearing makeup if that is the case though, because I'm not going to want to just throw on makeup for one more little guy. But I think that was all of them though. All of the other ones. I should have checked my Amazon to make sure. Oh my god, you guys, coming at you live from the psych ward. It is the next day, and my Grogu actually showed up. My husband's computer is being incredibly loud right now. You can probably hear it. It sounds like there's a jet engine in my living room. So that's going to be annoying, but I just wanted to show you. He came! My little Grogu came! But that's not all. There's something else. Just hold on a second. Let me take him out and show you. Oh, obviously no makeup today. He's so cute though. I'm so happy that he came. I really wasn't sure. Amazon told me today that they gave him to FedEx to deliver. He's a bobblehead, but because of the way his little collar is, it doesn't bobble that much. Just like vaguely wiggles. I don't know, but isn't he so damn cute? I didn't even realize that this was an Amazon exclusive, by the way. Look how precious that is. He's focusing. He's focusing, you guys. Look. He's got to concentrate. He's using the Force. Precious baby. Oh my god. Oh, it's so damn cute. So that is not all. I told you. So the story behind this is, so last night after I filmed, I was talking to my husband about how, let me grab it, the Boca Tan was not how I was expecting her. She is a chase variant, so she is without the helmet, which is wicked cool. Like, of course, that's super cool. But I kind of really wanted her to have the helmet. I thought that the helmet was really cool. So last night I ordered it again. And I said to my husband, I was like, it's $3. Let me just buy another one, and then hopefully we'll get the standard edition. Like, if that one's a chase variant, like, we're not going to end up with that one again, right? So I bought another one, and this one has the helmet, so let's pop her open really quick. By the way, this like zit, it's never going away. I don't know what's going on with that. It's like the devil incarnate. There she is, Boca Tan Kryze, with her little Mandalorian helmet, looking wonderful. Look at it. Look at it. So nice. Okay, I guess that's all. Look at him. So cute. Well, anyway, I guess that's it, right? That's the end of the video. I will get up close and personal now, show you the makeup a little bit closer. How do you feel about these frickin' freckles, yo? These like dark purple freckles. This is definitely a little bit of a clown look, but like, that's me. That's me, dog. This is me. The clown. So that is it. That is all of the Funkos that I received today. Obviously I did not get that last Grogu that I was hoping for. I really should have just checked and seen if they all came. But yeah, if it comes tomorrow, I'll add a little snippet. But if not, though, that's the end of the video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that if you were here for makeup, that you at least enjoyed what I did. I know that wasn't the focal point of the video, but I hope that you enjoyed it anyway. And then if you were here for the Funkos and not for the makeup, I hope that you enjoyed yourself as well. I upload twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday. You guys can check me out. I definitely want to do more of this kind of content in the future. And yeah, that's it for this one. I hope that you have a great week, and I'll be seeing you again on Sunday. Peace.